Hi friends. Today class we discussed MySQL queues in programmatic level like MySQL server page. Before classes I did discuss two classes. Class 1 is MySQL keys theoretical. Second class is the PowerPoint presentation. Whoever not seen my classes please watch it. Whoever watch that classes, this class easy to understand what I'm talking before classes, now classes, that's what I'm talking. Don't feel bad and forget to share or forget to do. Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is imnagaraj-tech-sol. So today class we discussed MySQL keys and the MySQL server. Uh, don't waste your time, even my time also. I will share my screen. Look at here what I'm doing right now. I will share my screen, entire screen, share. So look at here. I will share my screen. Click MySQL server. Enter password naga 9295 at the rate. This is my PC, that's what I'm testing my password. In your PC you did test your, or you will test your password. Don't test my password, man, because that's not my PC. This is my PC, that's what. It's funny. So click it, enter MySQL server connected. So I'm creating one database for MySQL keys only. Create database naga MySQL keys, naga keys. It's lengthy, that's what. Naga keys, enter, select. As already, as you know, how to create database, how to select database, how to create tables. Please, before classes, watch. I covered databases classes. I covered create table classes, how to select classes, or how to select databases. So don't directly open this class only, because you won't understand what I'm talking. So it's like ordered way. So use naga keys, select a database, semicolon, database change. You create one table where customer table. CREAT create table customer ID, data type int. I'm putting not null, comma, name, data type varchar, characteristic I'm putting 20, so not null, semicolon, colon, third one, ID, name, age also int, comma, age, data type, so address, data type decimal, sorry, char varchar also, char or varchar, no problem. 15, I'm putting 15. So I'm mentioning key address is unique, comma, salary, data type decimal for 13 comma 2. So close the bracket, semicolon, enter. Query okay. So describe customers customer semicolon, enter. Look at here, field is here, id, name, age, address, salary. So we need key, we mentioned the primary key, I mean unique key, that's what it's enabled unique key. And not null values not, already we mentioned not null, that's what I'm putting, not null, nulls. So insert values, it's easy to understand. Insert into CU table name STOMA customer values, first ID 1, name Shiva, age 23, address Hyderabad, salary 3k square affected, select start from customer double affected decimal like this, before 13 3000, after 2 values, age into type 23, address varchar Shiva, varchar it's okay, no problem. Just I will discuss what is the difference between char varchar in our data type classes. So one row affected, we'll discuss Hyderabad also we change to Rudd. Enter. Here look at here, duplicate entry Hyderabad for key customer dot address, already we need primary key, I mean unique key address, that's what duplicate key not entered. So understand, we need multiple unique keys in a table. So through the help of alter command, look at here, we need alter command used to init extra key alter table customers add, syntax of alter table name add constraint unique name unique where age. So query okay, row affected. So describe customer, age unique, add unique. So we drop one key through the help of keys, same alter command, alter table name drop constraint unique key name. Alter table customer customer drop constraint unique queue unique name where I'm dropping address bar. So unique bracket address area enter. Oh, some error is here. Syntax unique name unique address at line 1. So I'm dropping enter. Wait, some syntax is error. So not drop like that. So manually I drop this. Enter. Syntax corresponded. Wait. Some spelling is constraint spelling miss. STRA. STRA. And some manually drop it. Enter. Spelling mistake, that's what error is rising. Now row affected, describe customer STOMARS. So unique. So whatever I put in the unique, so that thing only removed. This is the unique queue, how to create unique queue in the MySQL server. Manually you create one database, select database, create table. That time we init key. Look at here, address, data type, unique queue. So describe table. So null values is here, key values is here, default values is here, extra, and field look like this. Address char null value as keys unique queue, and insert the values. One value inserted, ID 1, name, age, address, salary, Shiva 1, Shiva 23rd, ID 3000 salary. So I'm in it to duplicate added. So already in it address is unique. Unique means singleton. Separate version is here. Separate thing is here. That's what no duplicates and allowed. That's what error is rising here. Customer order is duplicated. So alter table. Add extra query in your database. We use alter table. Alter table. Table name. Add constraint. Unique name. Unique age. Age is also unique queue. So drop the key. We use the command alter table customer drop constraint unique name where address bar or edge. So we use edge. So query effect. This is the spelling mistake. That's what error is raising. So query okay affected, row affected. So describe table. Age key is removed. This is the process of MySQL unique queue. So now primary key, how to insert primary key. One more example. Create one more table. Create table. Table name naga. ID int not null. I extended because understanding purpose. ID int, so data type int not null, primary key last name worker 20 not null. Look at here, something testing here. Observe after finishing. I will discuss. First name, first name, worker. Damn it. Comma, close the bracket, semicolon, enter. Look at here, name worker not null, because one null value is accessible, because primary key not access to null values, multiple null values. That is the thing we need this. So create table, id into not null, last name first first name worker 10 enter. Okay, some error is here. I mistake same thing. So look at here, create table naga id int primary key comma name worker 29 enter. Row affected, desk naga. So two fields, id name same, worker is not null, so id into null value, primary key is created. So you need the values. Example, insert into naga values id 1 tanu. Enter. Select star from naga id tanu. So id row affected. We add one more primary key. Look at now, one thing is here, alter table name naga, add constraint alter table naga add constraint primary key primary key name column name, suppose the name, semicolon, enter. Look at here, you have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual that corresponding to your MySQL server version for the right syntax to use near primary key name, because primary key access only one key only, not for unique type. That's what I'm putting this. So in primary key, or look at here, in this table we have to mention a key, so we add primary key in this table. It is easy to add. Look at here, alter table customer customer customer, add constraint primary key, suppose some id is there, column name id, enter. Shit, here now spelling mistake, constraint straint, constraint primary key primary key, column name means id. I take this id is the primary key. So look at now, enter. Query okay, row affected, desk customer semicolon. Look at here, id is the primary key, address is the unique key. So that's the add, and drop also same. Here also drop command also same. I'm dropping this key. Use of command, alter command, alter table name. Table name means customer customer, drop constraint straint, constraint primary key semicolon, enter. Look at now, some error, some spelling mistake is here also. Or query alter table name, what primary key means, what primary key id, drop table, alter table drop drop primary key, correct. Try this, why it is not dropping, enter. Why primary, look at here, correct syntax. Why it's primary key at line 1. Look at here, here is the alter table, okay, it's not unique, that's what I'm writing constraint also. You added constraint, okay, but dropping it's not uses, that's what. Alter table customer drop primary key, right, enter. Query okay, so added query is order table customers order table name add constraint primary key. Drop tail we have to use simply order table customers drop primary key. In unique key that time we used constraint. That's what I confused, or you also confused. Look at here, add this drop also order table customers drop primary key. Look at this, and query row affected here. Now create table naga, look at now. So order table customers drop constraint unique key. This is the unique key. That's what I'm writing constraint. This is the primary key. That's what we won't write constraint. It is right to syntax. Order table customers drop primary key. This is unique constraint. Difference is simple. Unique constraint, primary key not constraint. That's the simple difference. And third one is the primary key. So third one we discussed foreign key. Foreign key is like we can create a foreign key on MySQL table using the constraint foreign key, like this constraint foreign key, and also reference keyword in the create table statement. So we take two tables. Already we create customer table, and we create another table like child table, parent table. I'm discussed before theoretical. Client table or parent table, child table, reference table, and duplicates are allowed. And duplicate key is discuss some theoretical knowledge. Please watch before video. Easy to understand. Now I'm talking foreign key in programmatic level. Already we created customer table, so now I'm creating one more table where orders. Look at here. And one more thing, already we referred client to parent, so we draw parent table. Is it possible? No. I will prove in because already current child table refer to parent table, or parent table refer to child. These two tables are linked up. That's what without dropping one table we can't dropping one table, because we drop both tables also. So I will discuss in programmatic level. So right now I'm creating one table. Create table order id data type int not null. Date data type varchar. Characteristic 28 something. I'm take not null. Customer id, one more column, custo. Data type int not null semicolon, not semicolon, comma. Amount decimal. So I'm writing foreign key reference to customer table. Look at here. The keyword is syntax is constraint constraint name foreign key customers foreign key where the id is this table customer id customer customer id reference references customer table where id. So already we created a customer table is here. So one more table because reference to child to parent, that's what I'm creating one more table. This is customer table. So already customer table created. This is child table or suppose child table. We refer parent table. Now I'm creating parent table. Look at here. So order. Order means answer. This is the some spelling mistake. Don't feel bad. This is order. You consider order like that. Create table order id date type int not null. So one more column date where something date type customer id. Look at here customer id. Here now customer id is related because customer id. So I'm referring that kind. So the syntax of syntax of foreign key is constraint foreign customers foreign key customer id customer id reference to customer id. This is parent cus- parent column. This is child column. Parent column reference to child column. This is the purpose. So for right now enter. If any mistakes I will some error is here because failed to add the foreign key constraint messaging index for constraint fk customers in the reference table customer MySQL. Here now look at wait a minute, if anything else I will explain what is the mistake constraint. Oh, look at id is the common, so maybe that's thing. Create table order oid int not null comma enter date worker date worker 10 not null. Date means there, it's some spelling mistake, don't feel. We want point not spellings, right? Customer id data type not null constraint constraint fk customer foreign key customer foreign key foreign key customer id like child table customer customer id. Look this customer id customer id customer id references 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 customer id like child table. Look like this is the child table where customer because spelling mistake everything mistake customer id references look like this create table order uid data type not null semi comma dare means date varchar not null customer id int nominal. Shit, some spelling mistake is here now. Enter. So some spelling mistake. So I will discuss. Wait. So spam spelling mistakes is here. Wait. I'm creating two tables at the time. So wait a minute. Shit, some error I'm putting. Wait, I'm writing same column. Wait, I will create two tables at the time, then I will run. Wait a minute. So look at here one table, child table, create table, customers. Same before this table also. Same table, same table, but the name is different. This is customer, this is customers. Added yes only, same. And one more table, parent table, create table orders like this table. So at the time I will run. That's what I'm creating it. One more table, added one s. So numbers and customers. This is the constraint. Wait, I have a call. Wait a minute. Enter. So we add constraint amount decimal. Okay. Constraint foreign customers. Foreign key customers like a child table. Foreign key customer ID. This table customer ID. This table customer ID reference to customer ID. This table reference to this table. So add enter. Query okay, zero row affected. Query okay, zero row affected. So foreign key added right now. So I will show desk orders. Orders. So table name mistake. ORDERS. DERS. Orders. Enter. Look at here. OID date customer ID into type. It's a key. This is the foreign key. Mutation is here. So row affected. And one more table also I will show. Desk customers primary key unique key added here now. Look at here. So we using drop also we use order command before two keys as of now same, but primary key dropped we used only drop table not constraint, but here we used constraint. Look at here. So we drop order table, table name customers, like reference. That's what we write customer not orders. We write drop constraint foreign key customers. FK customer does not exist. Look at here. Alter table customers customers drop FK constrand customer FK constraint FK customers not exist. This is exist what? So okay, so this is the reference. That's what we clearly simple. Drop table keyword. Drop table customers customers. Look at here. Cannot drop table customers reference by foreign key constraint fk customers on table orders. So we won't drop one table because we add reference table. That's what this error is here. That's all about the foreign key. So now we discussed fourth one, composite key. Look at here. Composite key is already we did because don't laugh. Actually, composite key is in a database or in a table we are having two keys added in a table. Look like I did right here now through the order command. Look like customer table unique key is here. So unique key look like this alter table customer add constraint unique underscore name unique. We used alter command to add one more key. This is called composite in a table having multiple keys we added. That is called constraint we already added. So that's what I'm not writing programmatic level. So that's all about MySQL keys. Tomorrow class we will discuss data types. Tomorrow class we will discuss MySQL classes. Tomorrow we discuss the data types. So bye bye.